Hello and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you purchase the Extreme Grip Lithium-Ion MultiGroom trimmer. When we open up this brand new packaging, which is going to be 100% recyclable, you're going to get this beautiful rectangular box, which will have all our kit contents. Then you're also going to get the trimmer that comes with it. So you'll take the trimmer out. Again, this packaging is recyclable as well. Here's your trimmer. We open up the kit contents. You're going to get your dual foil shaver, your detail trimmer, the new vertical nose trimmer, of course your charger for the trimmer. You're going to get the various different guide combs so you can style your facial hair. And then you're also going to get this nice travel pouch that you can put everything in. So this is everything you're going to get when you purchase this trimmer. And if you click on the next video, I'll show you how it's going to help you perform a better grooming experience at home.